If you've been using AI image generators for a while, whether it's Midjourney, Flux, or Stable Diffusion, you know exactly what the slot machine effect feels like. You write a perfect prompt, you hit generate, and the lighting looks great, the style is amazing, but the logic is completely broken. The text is spelled wrong, the physics make no sense, or the AI just completely ignored half of your instructions. The problem isn't the resolution. The problem is that those models don't actually know what they're drawing. They are just predicting pixels based on vibes. But today, that changes. I'm testing a new model called Higgsfield Nano Banana Pro, and it claims to solve the biggest bottleneck in AI art. Instead of just hallucinating an image, this model uses a reasoning engine, essentially a brain, that plans the scene, understands the physics, and checks the spelling before the hand ever starts painting. It's high IQ image generation. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, click the link in the description or the pinned comment to head over to Higgsfield AI. This is where the magic happens. Once you land here, you'll see a comprehensive suite of AI tools available. However, today our main focus is on the Nano Banana 4K Pro, located right here. So, let's click on that. Good. Here we are in the main interface. You'll see the prompt box right here. Just a quick note, the images you see below were not created in this session. I actually generated those yesterday. Today, we are starting fresh to test the full capabilities of the Nano Banana Pro live. I have a couple of prompts ready to go. I'll go ahead and copy the first one. Once copied, I'll clear the previous text and paste the new prompt here. Now for the settings. You can see the model is set to Pro. For the aspect ratio, you can choose 1:1 or 4:3, but I'm going to select 16:9, which is the standard YouTube format. Naturally, I want the best quality, so I'm selecting the 4K resolution. Now, let's hit Generate. All right, let's look at the outcome. It actually followed the prompt perfectly. I asked for a symmetrical flat lay on a desk, 3 yellow pencils on the left, 2 blue notebooks in the middle, and 1 cup of coffee on the right. It understood the description and every detail specifically, as you can see here. Great start. Let's try another one. I'm copying this next prompt from my notepad. I'll clear the box and input the second prompt. This one reads, a premium matte black coffee bag sitting on a marble counter. The label has gold typography that says Big Wiz Energy. Next to it, a price tag that reads €11. I'll leave the settings exactly as they are and click Generate. Look how incredible that image looks. It really understood the assignment and delivered 100%. The texture of the bag and the text details are impressive. Just to show you how massive the potential of Nano Banana Pro is, I'm going to try a custom prompt right now to test its understanding of famous figures. I'll type this one in manually. Make a screenshot of Donald Trump's Spotify hip-hop album page. Let's simply click Generate and see what happens. That is impressive. You see, it actually did it. Wow! Make America flow again. That looks nice. Since we did one for Donald Trump, how about we try one for Putin? I'll give it a very short prompt this time. Putin streaming CS2. Let's see how the AI handles such a simple 3-word instruction. We are going to witness exactly what Nano Banana Pro can do with minimal input. Let's click Generate. Is that not Putin streaming CS2? That is amazing. It got the likeness and the context perfectly. I'm going to leave some prompts in the end of this video so you can copy them, try them out, and create some fun images yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. So here's the verdict. If you're just playing around, any AI tool is fine. But if you're doing professional work, ads, storyboards, UI mockups, you need an AI that follows instructions, not just vibes. You need a tool that understands logic. And if you're ready to integrate this into your workflow, now is absolutely the time to do it. I have a special offer for you. For a very limited time, only through this Monday, November 24th, if you subscribe to Higgsfield, they are giving you unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for an entire year. That means no credit counting, just unlimited high IQ rendering for your projects. And the value proposition gets even better. As you can see in this comparison chart, Higgsfield already has the lowest prices on the market for access to these top-tier models like Sora 2 and Veo. You're getting the smartest AI at the best price. This deal is a no-brainer for anyone serious about AI art, so don't wait. Click the link in the description below to lock in that year of unlimited generations before the offer ends on Monday. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments what you create.